Hello artists. So we're going to be making a fish. So one of the first steps that you're going to do, you make your square and you're going to fold so you have a triangle. Just like that. After you do that, you are going to unfold it and then you're just going to fold up a little triangle starting from the corner on the left. After you do that, we're going to fold it back in half. So this triangle stays where it is. You fold it right back in half. Okay, now that we have this, we're going to take both of the tops, both papers, and we're going to fold it down so this corner meets this edge. So you're going to take the top, fold it to the edge. I like to give it a little angle and then push down really good. Great. We have one more step left. So see this line we created right here with the fold? All you're going to do is you're going to fold this triangle up. It's going to look like this. And there you have it. We've completed our fish origami. So this is a fun part where you get a chance to add some details. So I'm just going to pull out my black little crayon. I can draw a little eye and a smile if I want. You can add some other details like little fins if you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed making this video with me. Thanks for watching.